Buddha quotes, "It is a man's own mind, not his enemy or foe, that lures him to evil ways." Train your mind to see something good in everything. Every day brings a choice. 1. To practice stress. 2. To practice peace. Choice is yours. Everything in your life is the reflection of a choice you have made. If you want a different result, make a different choice. Begin each day with optimism and end each day with forgiveness. Happiness in life begins and ends within your heart. The secret of your future is hidden in your daily routine. Never give up. Great things take time. Failure is not opposite of success. It is part of success. Always hope, but never expect. Love the whole world as a mother loves her only child. Radiate boundless love towards the entire world. Be kind to unkind people. They need it the most. Kindness is language the blind can see and the deaf can hear. Don't trust the people who tell you other people's secrets. There is a message in the way a person treats you. Just listen. Sometimes things that hurt you most teach you the greatest lesson in life. Don't ask Why people keep hurting you? Ask yourself, why are you allowing? When you forgive, you heal. When you let go, you grow. Holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the one who gets burned. Silence the angry man with love. Silence the ill-natured man with kindness. Silence the miser with generosity. Silence the liar with truth. Sunsets are proof that endings can be beautiful. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please press round button to subscribe. Your comments and suggestions are welcome.